Hi, everybody. This is Dan Sheridan. Monday, August 29th. Excited to talk about the market a little bit and launch our August 3K class, which kicks in tomorrow, August 30th. It's been our most popular class that we've done at Sheridan Mentoring. It's over a year we've been doing it. And what it simply is it started as a plan to make 3K on 25K, which is 3% a week, 12% a month. It's pretty ambitious. And this is about the 13th month. And it's done really good. If you look at and what it is it's basically taking trades with expirations of maybe 10 to 14 days to 40 days. And the idea is putting on a couple trades a week, 2 to 3 trades a week, getting them off within 7 or 8 days so you get some turnover on your capital. And that's really been the key to it, along with very solid risk management. So why has it been unique, and where do I think you get a lot out of it? There's nothing else like it. There's nothing that gives you the hand holding on the trades, the live trades. We do live 1 to 2 trades every class, twice a week for 4 weeks. We text or email, whatever you prefer, the adjustments out. So you're getting wonderful hand holding, but we're teaching you everything, what we're doing, why we're doing it. So you're getting it unparalleled, the teaching, helping you become an independent craftsman, but we're going along with you. The experienced folk in our community, really all of that goes into Mark and I taking you by the hand and going through it. If you just look at last class we just finished, and this started at literally July 26th. They're split up here, and I'll show you in a second just because I went on vacation. But if you look at the games, sometimes I would do more size depending on the market. When it's a little choppy, we do smaller. But the key is the yields on the trades. Some people do 1 contract, some do 5. You can see some of these are actual dollar amounts of the trades. Some would be smaller, but these are actual yields. Whether you did 1 or 10, these are the yields, and you can add them up. You can see they're really good for the first 2 weeks of the class. And then when I went on vacation, Mark did the last 2 weeks of the class, and you can see the yields on the trades that Mark did. Very good. These are all actual trades. We're doing it. And so it's still a wonderful opportunity to learn the craft with us. And so that starts tomorrow. You can check out the Sheridan Mentoring to sign up on that. As you look at the market, basically, the class was generally, if you look at, here's a 1-year price chart of SPX, the class was basically around this period of time. And so you can see, not exactly range bound, right? But we did really well. So it's again, we go through the craft together, and Mark and I are getting the benefit. It's not just Mark and I. We're getting feedback from a lot of the veterans in the community. So I think it'd just be a great way to learn the craft and to get the hand holding and go through the trip. We've been doing this month by month. There's nothing like it. And I think you'll get a lot out of it. This particular week that we're going into, we'll be doing live trades tomorrow. And we're doing a little bit less size because, again, you have this big 140-point day Thursday. So it'll be a little bit less size, maybe a little bit longer duration. We'll see, because VIX right now is around 20, almost 26. So we'll be looking at some short Vegas stuff, trades that would benefit if volatility went lower, like maybe credit spreads, iron condors, butterflies. But as I was shown in another session today, some short-term calendars. If you think the market's going to go lower, volatility will go up. But this is one of the trades. I think I was just, if I just had one trade, just so we're talking trades, if we look at where the market is right now, 42, down 15 points. I'd probably do something like this, maybe go out. Again, we'll go over everything in class. We have what's nice is you get 2 hours every Tuesday and Thursday. It's recorded for 4 weeks. The first hour, we call it boot camp, more for beginners and people who it's their first month in the 3K. And then the 3K part is for those who've made it successfully through the first month. And once you get the 3K class costs $397 for the first time you take it, and then every month after that will be 50% off or a couple $100. So it's a great opportunity, great price. One of the trades, if today was class trade, I'd probably look at a trade like this. This would just be one type of trade I would put. This is what we call this a broken wing butterfly. I'd probably put the short strike at 40.50, a little bit higher than we are. Ox 7 would be about 39 days out. So 40.50, we're going up a little bit. And what's great about the boot camp is that's where we spend the time going over what is this broken wing butterfly? What the heck is he talking about? That's where we really go over that. So if you really want to learn this stuff, great for beginners. But what's great is once we get in the 3K part of the class at 1 Central, it's for medium and advanced. We, no holds barred. So I'll just give you a quick example. I'm going to go 40, 39, 80, down, 41. You set it up, I'll tell you real quick. 41, 15. 1 second here. Here's what this would look like. This is just a broken wing or unbalanced butterfly. And it's something I would do to totally delta neutral. SPX is at 40.45. My short strike is 40.50. My upper strike call is 41.15. So distance between my short strike and my upper strike out of the money call would be 65 points. And then my downside, my short strike to my lower strike in the money call at 39.80 would be 70. So when you have unequal distances between your short to your long strikes, we call that broken wing or unbalanced. And you can see you have this wide area where you're profitable. And then we will show you in the class how to make a plan. How long do you stay in the trade? What do you do if it goes outside the profitable area if we need to adjust? But anyways, look forward to seeing you tomorrow. August 30 is the launch date for the August class 3K. Love to see you there. Thanks so much. All classes are recorded. See you later.